This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Hello everyone, I am Rubal. Today I want to bring awareness to a concerning topic. How hackers can potentially hack into your Wi-Fi network using a tool called Aircrack-ng. Aircrack-ng is a suite of tools that hackers use to assess the security of Wi-Fi networks. Let's delve into the step-by-step process they might employ to obtain your Wi-Fi password. Firstly, hackers use a tool called Aircrack-ng, which is part of the Aircrack-ng suite, to capture data packets from your Wi-Fi network. They specifically search for a handshake, which is a process that occurs when a device connects to the network. This handshake contains valuable information that hackers can exploit. Once the handshake is captured, the hacker moves on to generating a password guess list. They utilize Aircrack-ng, another tool in the suite, to attempt to crack your Wi-Fi password. To do so, they may use a pre-made list of common passwords or create a customized list of potential passwords based on their knowledge of you or your network. Next comes the crucial step of cracking the password. Aircrack-ng applies the list of guesses to the captured handshake, testing each one until a match is found. If your password is weak or happens to be on the list, Aircrack-ng can successfully reveal it to the hacker. Finally, with the password obtained, the hacker gains unauthorized access to your Wi-Fi network. This means they can freely surf the web, gather sensitive information, or even perform malicious activities without your knowledge. Now that you understand the potential risks, it is important to take appropriate measures to protect yourself. Ensure your Wi-Fi network uses a strong, unique password that is not easily guessable or found on common password lists. Additionally, regularly update your Wi-Fi router's firmware and enable security features such as WPA2 encryption. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to safeguarding your network. Stay vigilant and take necessary precautions to keep your Wi-Fi password safe from hacking attempts. Now let's start practical example.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, 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 I hate all this overthinking, oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver, no more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar, bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. La 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 la, oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly.